Good afternoon. How are you, everyone? Today is another day, and as usual, my name is EFFUATE KWAW, and a teacher of CIA for Cambodia Intellectuals Academy. Welcome to our Phonics lesson, and today we are going to talk about a new letter, and that letter is between letter F and letter H. So what letter comes to your mind whenever you talk about a letter between letter F and letter H? What letter comes to your mind? Okay, good. Today we are going to talk about letter G. Yes, all the English alphabets in written, you have two different shapes. This one is the uppercase G, and then the one in red is the lowercase g. So you have the uppercase G and then the lowercase g. We normally call them as the capital letter G and then the small letter g. Now, this letter G has a sound, and we get a sound from giving your hands as if a water is goggling down, drawing like this, by saying g, 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 g. So letter G has a sound g, 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 g. Letter G sound as g, 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 g. Okay, you can practice with me. Let's go. G, 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 g. G, 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 g. G, 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 g. You have 20 seconds to practice before we continue. G, 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 g. G, 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 g. So now we are going to use the sound of letter G to pronounce any word that starts with letter G or that involve in letter G. Okay, now here I will also show you some pictures. This is the first picture that I have for you. Do you see something in the picture? No, because it is covered and you want to see. Okay. What thing comes to your mind? You can plan, or you can prepare to say something. Now, you should be able to tell me the kind of animal that is here in the picture. Okay, and that's all. What animal is this? Goat. This is goat. Goat. Good. So this is goat. So, as I told you earlier on, we are going to use the sound to pronounce any word that starts with the letter G, G. So here we say G, G, goat, G, G, goat, G, G, goat. So now I will tell you the sound and then you tell me the name of the animal here. Are you ready? Okay, now let's go. G, G, goat, G, G, goat, G, G. Okay, good job. Okay, I have another picture for you. Do you see something? No. Okay, let me show you so that you should be able to tell me the kind of picture that I'm talking about. Okay. What do you think I'm about to show you? Okay. What do you see in the picture? If you're able to recognize by garden, then you are correct. So this is garden. Good. So this is garden. And it also starts with a sound. G, G, garden. G, G, garden. G, G, garden. G, G, garden. Okay, now I tell you the sound, then you tell me the name of the objects in the picture. Okay, now let's go. G, 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 G. Good. Okay. Now the last picture for you today. Here is it. And it's also covered. Okay. Good. What has come to your mind? Okay, you have already seen. Yes, glass. Glass. We normally use to drink water, or sometimes our parents or our fathers used to drink some beer or some drinks. Okay, good job. Okay, so now this is the sound that also starts with the object here. G, G, glass. G, G, glass. G, G, glass. Okay, now let me show you how we can write all of these objects and words or their names. So this is goat. And this one is garden, and the last one is glass. Okay, so always all of them are being pronounced by their sound. Okay, so now let's take it again. G, G, goat. G, G, goat. G, G, garden. G, G, garden. G, G, garden. glass, glass, glass. And this is how all of the words are spelled. So goat are spelled G-O-A-T, G-O-A-T. Garden, G-A-R-D-E-N, garden, G-A-R-D-E-N, glass, G-L-A-S-S. So now we know the sound of letter G. B sound as G, G, G. And some words that also start with the letter J, goat, garden, glass. Now let's look at how this letter is being traced, or let's learn how to write letter J. First of all, let's write in A. Are you ready? You look at me and then follow me. Let's do it together. So you start at a point, you curl to left, you go on, now you curl to right, you go up, a point, then you draw a little bit line like this. Let's do it again. You start at a point, you curl to left, and then you turn to right. You follow it to top, and then a bit line. Okay, now I'm going to write it on the board fully for you. This is how we write letter G. So this is the uppercase G, and the lowercase g. So now with this one, if you have a book close to you, you can do it or practice with me. If you're not having any book or paper with you, you can also draw on the ground. We do it together. Okay, so now we can trace. So this is for the uppercase G, and the lowercase g. And this one too is the lowercase g. So now this is how we write the lowercase g, the uppercase g, and then the lowercase g. So now you can practice at home. Okay, now let's go over again. This is letter G, the uppercase G and the lowercase g. And the sound of letter G sound as G, 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 G. And these are some of the pictures that also start with the letter G or the sound G. So now let's look at the first picture over there. So the first picture, G, G, goat, G, G, goat, G, G, goat, G, G, garden, G, G, garden, G, G, garden, G, G, glass, G, G, glass, G, G, glass, G, G, glass. Okay, and this is how we write them, their names. So the first picture is goat, and this is how we write goat, G-O-A-T, goat. And the second picture is garden, and this is how you write or we spell garden. G-A-R-D-E-N, garden. And the last one is glass. G-L-A-S-S. Okay, now this is what I have for you today. And you want to watch more of our videos, you can follow us, CIA or Cambodia Intellectual Academy, on our Facebook and YouTube pages to watch more of our videos. Thank you for paying attention and then watching our videos.